How to hide your blacklist on Instagram. So if you want to hide all of your blacklist on your Instagram, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you will be able to explore the various feeds over here. So first let's reach out to blacklist. For that you have to tap over your profile at the right button corner and have to tap over the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and just have to go for the settings and privacy. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see the blocked option. Just tap over there, and here all of the people that you want to block or that you have blocked will be available over here. If you want to block someone, then you can tap over the plus option at the right upper corner, and from over there you can search for the person whom you want to block and tap over their profile, and they will be blocked easily. This is the thing, but the thing here is you won't be able to delete or hide the block list on your Instagram. Till now, Instagram haven't brought any update or feature for hiding the block list. That's the thing. So I'm sorry you won't be able to do that. So hope this video was helpful. If you do have any other queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.